Nanofloat stock ACON, as someone put it, is up around 60% in the regular session of today, the 3rd of March 2025. The gain was around 142% in the pre-market session. I think the news is that the company has, it says here, Aclarion to provide imaging technology to Scripps Health in California. So, yeah, let's see whether we can get more on that piece of news. Let's see what it says here. Aclarion shares rallied sharply in this session after the healthcare technology company said it has established a commercial agreement with Scripps Health that will add its Nociscan technology platform to treat lower back pain to Scripps facilities in San Diego. The agreement is expected to optimize Scripps clinical treatment by providing Aclarion's magnetic resonance spectroscopy, signal processing, and allowing physicians to non-invasively distinguish between lumbar discs causing pain and non-painful discs, according to the company. So yeah, financial terms not disclosed. So sounds positive. Let's before we even go and see what's going on. There are some upper projections. It's good to have a look and see what the underlying trend of the stock is. Yeah, it's a bearish one. This today's spike? No, it's not. This was on Tuesday, the 28th of January. This was when it's actually well, I think maybe there was a reverse split or something like that, because we're talking about yeah. I mean, the prices I'm looking at here is astronomical. So I just want to conclude that maybe there was a reverse split at some point. But at the same time as well, the stock has a float of around, shares outstanding of 1 million shares. That means the float might even be less than 1 million, so highly volatile it has to be, without even looking at anything. It has to be that. So we have upper projection of 5.76. We have 5.87. We have also 5.98. All of these are on the 5 minute chart. So this is that high of the session. Actually, not the highest. It actually printed 8.13. Yeah, 8.13 is the high of this session. So let's have a look at its 5 minute chart and see. In 5 minute chart, there is a downward projection, which is what may happen, which is where what direction which is the direction that it may be going down, maybe going downwards. 4.83, 4.4, 4.41, 4.15. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, sorry, they're actually upper projections, if you don't mind. We have here 5.88 and emphasized 6.04. So because it has actually printed these 7.23 and even 8.13, the probability that it can do it again, the probability that it will do it again is also reasonable. Let's look at the 45 minute chart and see. Okay, here we have an area that has now formed. That is the and it's formed by the extrapolation of its 10 and 21 period moving averages. And we have upper projection of 6.55. This is its 45 minute chart. We have 7.65. We have 8.48. So if you go by what it has done not very long ago, sometime this year, you can see that the probability of even higher prices is will not be out of place. Wouldn't be out of place. 18 point. We have 18.58. Something that it actually printed. 18.58 was printed when, let's see, 18.58. Let's see. We know it's late January. That was when it was printed. 18.58. So the probability of $8 8.41 is, to definitely be a healthy one, somewhere around maybe 40% or thereabout. Let's come down and have a look at its 1 hour chart and see what's going on. On the 1 hour chart, we have yeah, we have that area formed again, but it has since collapsed. It's probably going to move into that area and consolidate some of this for some of the volatility. So let's see. Momentum is expected to dissipate in the following in the few hours up till by tomorrow, the 4th of March. It's not expected to really do well as such, or rather, it's not expected to be. That's not expected to have the amount of momentum it currently has now. So let's look at the 2 hour chart and see what's going on the 2 hour chart. Let's see. Momentum is expected to okay begin to tail off by tomorrow. No upper projections we can see here. Let's look at the 3 hour chart and see what's going on. 3 hour chart. Here we have momentum is expected to remain in place by tomorrow. Yeah, based on what's going on the 3 hour chart, based on what has been projected on this 3 hour chart. So yeah, you can see the highs it has actually printed $100 as of Friday the 3rd of January. So if you go by that, if there are upper projections here, you see that the probability of it printing those will not be out of will look tangible. Let's have a look at its 4 hour chart. It's a low float, very like someone said, nano float. So it's a stock to watch. It's definitely a stock to play to put in your radar. Some days it will spike. Let's see now. Here we have the 4 hour chart. Momentum is expected to tail off by by Wednesday, the 5th of March. Let's have a look at the 1 day chart. Yeah, that's that spike we're talking about. Yeah, could this be a reverse split? It doesn't look like it, because if it was, we'll see a notification here. Let's see now. Upper projection of 3,426.25, even higher, 5,838. Well, expect the company to also split the stock at some point if the volatility comes in at some point. Right now, it's currently trading at 5.39. Maybe not time yet to do the split. Maybe when it prints when they pump it up a bit more, they may do the split. Let's see what's going on here. This is the 4 hour chart. We don't have anything. Let's see whether we can find that spike here. Whether we can see. Let's see if we can see if it ever printed that spike. We can't see that. We can't. Okay, let's see. We can go back. Can't go any further back. Can see volume is also quite heavy today as well. Yeah, it is one of the most active stocks in this session. Let's have a look at its weekly chart. Okay, yeah, it hasn't really been around. Yeah, okay, it's been around for some time, since April of 2022. So a reasonable amount of data is there to look at to extrapolate what's going on. So we have that projection of that 3,502. Yeah, let's go down and have a look at its monthly chart. No, there was an upper projection, but as of 2024, 10,751. It has to be obviously because of the float it has. The algos are calculating what's available to them. So yeah, yeah. Going by the amount of float it has, yeah, you can expect such things to be in play. What else? Let's see whether we can get the news concerning the stock. Retail earnings anticipation lifts U.S. equities pre-bell. Okay, let's see. Yeah, let's see whether we can find old news concerning Aclarion. You can see 52-week range up to $231. Highly volatile. Yeah, January of this year. Let's see Aclarion. Let's see January 24th. Aclarion rallies after scrapping proposed stock sales. Okay, let's see. Aclarion shares closed 110% higher after the company said it has cancelled an agreement with Ascendiant Capital to offer 10 million shares through a series of at the market offerings. The magnetic resonance spectroscopy company received about $300,000 in gross proceeds through the offerings during the duration of the agreement that was entered in September of 2024, according to a regulatory filing. Yeah. So yes, at some point it's going to happen, and it will happen. It will also happen after a spike. So for now, this is a stock to watch. This is a stock to watch. It is a stock to watch. Surely, surely, you can't keep your eye off the ball. But also, if you are involved, if you get involved, and know how you're going to get out of it as well. Because if it spikes, there will be I mean, because we can see that it's we can clearly see that they have this shares outstanding of 1 million. You can see it. Let's get back to the summary. You see it. Shares outstanding of let's see, shares outstanding of 1.01. 1.01 average volume is 1.831. So far today is 49 million. So going by this volume, going by this volume, you can deduce, and also the fact that fundamentally it's not fantastic. So probably a clinical stage. Well, it's not a clinical stage. It's just a small company, and they probably be needing funds, So going by that, yeah, expect more spikes, more volatility to occur, and also expect more share sales. They've already indicated that. So yeah, surely we will also try and keep the notes on the stock and keep watching it. It's definitely going to spring a surprise at some point. Yeah. Okay. So thank you very much for watching this video.